Hello and welcome to my video at Kelly Hicks RV Sales in Sublette, Illinois. This is a 2019 Quailridge 39 FLML. This is unit number 11800. It's tan with tan windows and doors, tan corners, and the tan appearance package. We also skirt this with tan. It is a very beautiful trailer. It is also it is Forest River Park Model's best-selling floor plan of all time. It's the 39 FLML. MSRP on this is just $61,683, so it's not even their most expensive trailer, it's just their most popular. It's got a great big wide open floor plan. PVC flooring, front to rear, with carpet in the master bedroom and loft only. This is the vintage maple cabinetry. You've got a fireplace, swivel or rocker recliner, sleeper sofa, and table and lamp, nightstand and lamp, ceiling fan, windows, curtains, drapes, everything in them stays in them. We don't touch a thing. What you see is what you get. This has a stainless steel single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer, 5-burner range, stainless convection microwave, stainless fridge. You got a nice big hutch with LED lighting at the dining room area. Got the large 56,000 BTU stand-up furnace. So if you're into wintertime camping, you're going to be very comfortable in this one. It's got a shower with the headpan to give you some extra headroom. Nice big corner vanity, corner medicine cabinet with some shelves, toilet. You also have a linen closet in here. See the linen closet next to the shower. This is what's called, people often ask me about it, but this is your neo-angle shower. And a lot of times in these smaller bathrooms, the neo-angle is a better choice because you'll have additional closet with it. Gets that closet beside it. Anyhow, house type rear entry door. Heading on into the master suite. It's your standard Quailridge. Very nice and comfy. It's got carpeting in the master bedroom and loft to keep your feet nice and cozy. There's lights in both closets and at the center makeup mirror. There's a little bit of storage under the stairs there. Heading upstairs, we can look at the loft. Now this one, again, you step down into the master bedroom and that gives you a bigger loft up here. That gives us a 5-foot loft. So looking at this loft, as you can see, we've got also an auxiliary air option into this one. Doesn't need it, but it's fine that it's there. Big entertainment center, closet, storage. Probably queen sized up front here. I give it queen sized. And then of course the rear is the same size as the master bedroom, and that's the taller loft. The loft that'll measure close to 5 foot. Anyhow, heading back through the body of the trailer. House type rear entry door, deadbolt, doorknob, storm door, bathroom in here. Recap the bathroom. Has the neo angle shower and a great big vanity. Out here, walk out into the kitchen. This is Quailridge's bestseller. It's a 2019 Quailridge 39 FLML. And if you want to purchase this or one like this, call Kelly at 815-849-9089, and we'll be glad to talk to you. This is a nice trailer. Pan around here one more time. Them little shelves are where your home entertainment center speakers sit, so you have surround sound in here. Okay, have a great day and thanks for watching.